Mason. This is going to be in a video on Musical Fingers Book 2, pages 8 and 9, because I'm going to get that to you within the week, I think. And you want to take a little read through the introduction and just reminders here about balance of weights and keyboard topography and having, I wouldn't curve my fingers as much as they show in the pictures, but just, having an awareness that a D major shape of your finger is going to be different than an E major shape of your hands is going to be different. So this first exercise is in A major. The first 6 bars involve arm rotation and using a heavier weight on the changing notes and a lighter weight on your thumb. And then at the very end, they're doing a motion that's going from the 5th finger into the thumb, and that would be a little bit of an over and under circle. So it would go something like this. That's my least favorite sound. I like the Hamburg grand better. I get 3 choices for grand pianos on this hybrid digital. And the trick there is to learn to have just a weightless thumb, and you have to train your hand to do that. Now, number 2 is to have the weightlessness on the 5th finger, on the outside of the hand. This is going to be an under, over, under, because of going from the thumb to the 5th finger. In next semester, when we look at the Catherine Rowland books, we'll be looking at the under-over wrist roll or the over-under wrist roll. I'm going to plug in my microphone. Then on the next page, because you're going to use the same notes. So the left hand is emphasizing 5 and 4 and having a weightless thumb, and the right hand is emphasizing 1 and 2 and having a weightless 5th finger. And then it gets more difficult because you have to make your choices about how you're going to execute the little tag at the end. To do double Dutch, you can, where one hand goes over while the one's going under. So you can experiment with that. And then of course number 4 is the other way. And it would be to your advantage to do these in the key they're written in, and the next day do them in C major, and the next day do them in C minor, and the next day do them in E major, and then E minor and F major and F minor. And if you get bored, you can go on to the next 2 pages, which are trill preps. And actually, I have time. I can upload about a 5-minute video without too much pain, and this is only 3. So 5A, you're going to emphasize where the tenuto mark is. Oh, just kidding. The left hand does the same thing. And then you would do it hands together. And then the next batch is for 4 notes, and do you have any impulse on the first of each group of 8. So and the idea that it was always told to me is that you have that energy of that first strike carries you through the rest of them. It's more metaphorical than I think that it is a physical thing, but it's how you feel it in kind of a larger circular pattern. And then I haven't practiced these in a while, so we'll see how it goes. So that's in parallel motion. No, that's in contrary motion, which uses the same fingers. And then 6D is in parallel motion, so you're using different fingers, which is physically a little harder. And then you have the different rhythms that you can do. And I would do all of those. I would go ahead and do all of those, and because it's just going to enhance your ability to do what you want when you get to in the advanced repertoire that you're in. I better stop now, or I'll be midnight before this uploads.